handheld wind meter.
Yes.
And they have a couple different versions of them. You might consider getting one just in terms of like to assess conditions. Like if you're saying, I know I can't fly above 13 miles an hour, gusting to 13 or steady, whatever, then that's really going to help you out in terms of keeping your equipment safe, particularly as a business.
That's a good point.
Oh, good stuff.
I'm a little disappointed the whole plane, right?
Well, it maybe it's not able to get it. It should be able to get a lock, but maybe it's not able to maintain it. But I don't know that. So drop it down like a couple feet.